Insert it with your pen.
Let's meet the alphabet. Learning the letters and their sounds is one of the first steps in learning how to read. Cool! Touch one of the letters on the page.
A makes two sounds, A in apple and A in ape. G makes two sounds, G in gorilla and J in giraffe. M makes the sound in moon. Say it. Touch a word to hear it spoken. Y says Y in yo-yo. Van. V says in van. X says X in X-ray and X in fox and in xylophone. Sound it. Touch a letter to hear it sounded out. T says T in tent. Spell it. Touch a letter to hear its name. T says T in tent. Let's play a game.
Let's meet the alphabet.
Touch the umbrella. Umbrella.
Way to go!
Umbrella begins with the letter U.
Let's do another one.
Touch the sun. Sun.
You got it.
Sun begins with the letter S.
Last one.
Let's play a game.
Hooray! Letters.
Touch a red letter J. J.
Awesome.
J says J in jet. Touch a red letter and letter M. It's near the moon. Amazing A announces the ABC. Big B blows bubbles.
One sneaky letter is hiding. I wonder where it could be.
Can you find the sneaky?
Good try.
That's the
You're getting close. Good try. You're getting close. Good try.
That's the letter B. Can you find the sneaky letter B in the cloud?
You found me. I was hiding.
To play a game, touch a... Edison in Egypt. Try touching different objects in the picture. Uppercase T. Lowercase t. 7, 6, 5. Uppercase Q. We're on our way to the pyramids.
Ew, it's hot out here.
I am the mighty Sphinx, many boo-boo.
Wow, this is the biggest sandbox ever.
Let's play a game. Stay in line. Let's get going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Help Edison guide the camels by touching their letters. Touch the lowercase r. Lowercase r. Excellent. Now touch the uppercase r. Uppercase r. Good job. Thank you. Onward to the pyramids. To play again, touch the star at the bottom of the... Let's play a game. You camels look hot.